Well, don't stop at Memorial Day. You will want to make these corn on the cob salads all summer long. They make the best side dish to bring to a barbecue, a cookout, or a picnic. Joining me right now is Amy Roskelley in the Studio 5 kitchen with these recipes. And I got to tell you, Amy, it was just last night. We had corn on the cob. It's here.
Corn on the cob has come to our grocery stores everywhere, and I couldn't be happier.
I love it. And there are so many different ways to prepare it. You're going to show us 3 different ones, but let's start with how do we actually prepare the corn to start?
Okay, this is my favorite way to cook corn, especially for a corn salad because it's so quick and easy. All you do is put the entire corn on the cob in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then you cut off the end, and I promise you, this slides out better than ever. You don't have to like spend an hour shucking corn on the counter. Wow. No strings.
Okay,
it just comes right out.
I've heard though, some people wrap it in a paper towel. You don't need to do that.
I haven't tried that. I've only cooked it in here, and it's so moist. It keeps all the like moisture inside.
And all the little strings aren't attached.
No strings. That's the easiest way to do it. And then.
So how long though before we move on did you have it in the microwave? You said
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes
that's it.
every time I've done it.
Do you need to let it sit for a little bit?
No, and it's really hot. So once you take it out,
maybe use some gloves or something.
Use gloves. Yeah,
that's a good idea. Okay, so then you've got it out.
And then you just, you know, take a knife to each side and cut all the way down, and you have some delicious,
look
fresh,
how beautiful that
warm
is.
Corn, juicy corn.
Awesome.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna make our 3 salads here. We've got our corn, we've got it all in a bowl like this. Let's start with our Mexican salad. I love Mexican corn salad.
Right, so this is like Mexican street corn because what I put on it, and like you said, for a potluck, this is perfect. You can't go wrong. Everyone loves it. So for this one, I have some toppings over here. I used red onion, some cotija cheese, which I Googled how to pronounce that. Cotija cheese, cilantro, and then a creamy mayonnaise and Greek yogurt dressing with a little lime juice and cumin.
Cumin, okay.
Yeah. You can also do Parmesan cheese.
Would you put that on right away? Can it sit on it? Or do you have to...
in fact, it's even better. So you put it on, mix it in, chill it, and it just like gets all those flavors all nice
very
and
zesty.
Yummy.
Chicken with it?
So this is my high protein salad. I'm always trying to get a little bit of protein in. And for this one, we have the corn. We have grilled chicken, so you can do it with if you have leftover chicken at any time, and some black beans for some really
very simple.
Very simple. And I also chose a ranch dressing.
Okay.
So put the whole ranch dressing on it, put it in.
Mix it all together, let it sit.
And some feta if you're feeling crazy.
That we're going on wild side here with our feta.
Yeah, so high protein version.
So high protein version. Okay. Our third salad.
Our third salad.
These are so simple.
Oh, so easy and so much flavor. This is a garden fresh salad. This one is just some tomatoes, some fresh basil. You can get this in the grocery store.
I see you have bigger leaves. Would you really get it fine though? Some people don't love basil.
Yeah. If you don't love it, I would keep it big, and then
you can pick it out.
It gets a little bit of flavor, and then you can pull it off easily.
Okay.
Yeah. An avocado, and then more feta.
And more feta.
Yes.
These are all ingredients you typically have on hand all summer long anyway in your house.
Yeah. And for this one, I like an oil and vinegar dressing. So it's just your typical equal parts oil and vinegar, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of salt, pepper, and then just drizzle it on. And again, these are almost better the next day. So I love to prepare salads the night before, put it in the fridge, and it makes a great Sunday
Just because it kind of pulls it all together.
It does. It just, the flavors just meld together better.
And it saves you some time. So when you're rushing out the door, it's already done. You're not worried about the kitchen.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, where do we get more of your great ideas?
So I'm at healthbeat.org online and healthbeat on Instagram.
Awesome.
And I have lots of good high protein, healthy recipes.
Well, you just took corn to a new level with 3 different salads. We love it. Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
Shara.